Welcome to Manifest 2025. Here asking attendees about the state of the shipping and logistics industry today. Tell me your name, your company, and the most interesting thing happening in the world of shipping and logistics today.
All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Josh Fredman with Better Trucks.
My name is Naveed Kassam. I am with eHub.
Ryan Slater, work for Trans Impact.
Rob Glover with OSM Worldwide.
The most interesting thing, in my view, are all the changes going on at the post office.
Throughout the market, it's a defining time in the industry.
With the different last mile providers, some that have proven that they're going to potentially stick around, some that have proven that they may fall off or have fallen off.
So there's so much, I'll call it disruption that's happening in our space right now, because at the end of the day, people want to have options when they get their packages delivered to their homes.
From that aspect, there's a lot of opportunity for us to go in and help our clients with better quality deliveries, more transparency, and an overall better experience.
Lots of folks looking for different options, and we're here to deliver.
Hey, how are you? Can you tell me what's the most interesting thing happening in the industry right now?
Amazon taking over the world.
Thank you.
Hey, I have a question. Name, company, and what is the most interesting thing happening in the world of shipping and logistics? Go.
My name is Ann.
Jason with Locus Robotics.
I'm Dawson Lamb with EasyPost.
To me, the most exciting thing is actually how brave companies are.
There's a lot of traction in automation in general.
I was looking around this entire event, and there is AI.
Definitely AI.
There are bots.
Mobile robots like we have.
And companies are piling in money into a theory. And I think that that is the coolest thing to be a part of in logistics, watching the transition and watching this age turn and how brave companies are.
My name is Tim Morris. I'm SVP of Partnerships and Business Development at Pipe 17.
My name is Justin Stone. Work for DePasco.
What's super interesting today in the business, in the industry, is the proliferation of selling channels and marketplaces.
It's been interesting. I've been in supply chain for about 20 plus years, and the evolution going from multi-channel, omni-channel type of retail, and the complexity of actually fulfilling orders seems to be hitting a critical point, which is the availability of data.
I think it adds a lot of complexity to merchants and ecosystem players to normalize data coming into these systems.
And the ability to use that to plan better, as well as democratize decision making.
And how do you do that from all very fragmented, from very fragmented sources? So solving the data problem and normalization of data problem, I think, is a really interesting opportunity for us,
where we haven't had that power before.
All right, welcome back, Manifest 2025. Okay, tell me your name, your company, and the most interesting thing happening in the world of shipping and logistics today.
Frank, my name is Chris Lauer. I'm Director of Sales here at ecommerce.
Damian Holsworth, Head of Global Partnerships and Alliances for Legiwa.
Reg Adams with Tech Dynamics.
I'm Maria Milashevich with Tech Dynamics.
The demand for dynamic reporting.
It's really exciting for us to see how customers are really thinking about logistics and warehouse optimization today.
From procurement all the way to last mile.
On the technology side, helping the customer get connected with those zone skip opportunities, the new freight, the new carrier programs coming in versus the national carrier brands. That's what's starting to kick some real butt right now. So
most people think logistics and moving packages is pretty boring, but if you look at the newspaper, we're actually on the news now. If you see lots of investment from Wall Street coming into our space, and this is a great environment to see all the different options that have now become available, from a tech side to a logistics side and everything in between. So yeah,
I think you nailed it.
I did.
Most interesting thing right there, Ryan Slater.
Perfect. Really appreciate that. That's perfect. I love it. That's good. Just roll with it. Yeah.